Hi everyone. The Super SOCO TC MAX electric motorbike makes a convincing case that a lighter, simpler, short-range commuter is a better use of today's battery tech than a big roadster. As a commuter, there's a lot to be said for its near-zero running costs and the convenience of refueling while you sleep. A single charge of the battery lasts for around 60 miles of steady town riding, or 30 at full throttle. The remaining range is displayed both as a percentage and in bar chart form on the LCD dash. The TC MAX is the fastest, sportiest and most powerful bike in Super SOCO's range, though that's not saying much. It's powered by a 6.7 bhp electric motor. There are 3 power modes. 1. Limits top speed to 30 miles per hour. 2. Restricts it to 40 miles per hour. And 3. Releases the full package. That full package relates to a claimed top speed of 58 miles per hour. There are linked brakes, no ABS, and an alarm which locks the rear wheel when activated. The TC MAX also comes with spoked wheels. You can charge the bike by plugging the external charger into the side of the bike. Or you can remove the 3.24 kWh lithium-ion battery and take it into your house or office to charge it up. But it weighs 21.6 kilograms, so a few sessions at the gym might be needed before tackling this task. Thanks for watching.